Did you know that proper scar management after a C-section is key to a faster recovery? Let me show you how. After a C-section, scar tissue can feel tight and uncomfortable. This is completely normal, but gentle care can make a big difference. Start with clean hands and apply a hypoallergenic cream or oil. Use gentle circular motions over the scar, gradually increasing pressure. This improves blood flow and prevents stiffness. Once cleared for exercise, start strengthening your core with moves like pelvic floor tilts. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and tilt your pelvis upward while tightening your core. Hold for a few seconds and release. Maintaining good posture can reduce back pain and help your scar heal better. Sit with a straight back, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the ground. Recovery after a C-section is a journey, but with the right care and exercises, you will get stronger every day. Follow me for more tips.